Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could change the low battery notification settings in your Windows computer. To do that, go to the right side, the bottom in your computer, and click on the little icon of the battery of your computer. Click with the right button of the mouse and select Power Options. Next step, click on Change Plan Settings. Click Change Power Settings. And here we will click on battery to have additional details, and the next step will go to low battery notification. We'll click on it, and here you can turn on or turn off the low battery notification settings. If you make any changes, the apply option should be available, so you will click apply and click OK so that you save your changes. Once done, don't forget to restart your computer so that your changes takes effect. If you are still facing any issues, write us a comment with a full description and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest